Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are doing a quick review of the Ryobi 18V One Plus Lopper kit. The kit comes with bypass lopper, blade sheath, branch hook, 2 amp-hour battery, and charger. The brush hook attaches with 2 Phillips screws. The blade sheath does not fit over the hook. The full cut cycle time is under 3½ seconds, but you can move to the next cut when the cut phase completes in less than 2 seconds. Let's go trim some branches. This is the thickest branch that fit the jaws, and it has no problem cutting it. Just push straight in and cut. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up to help the channel. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing.